Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm here to make a bunch of cards with you guys today. So I sped it up a little bit. We're going to make a lot of cards, and we're going to be using a lot of these foiled panels. So these panels I got from the foilables that I got in my holiday kit from Pink and Main, and then I also used some foils from backgrounds from Tailored Expressions. And so the other things I'm using is these birch trees, this Tailored Expressions stamp. It's a split combo, so you could pull that tree out and stamp it separately from the background. And then I've got the matching dies. And I'm also using the Stamptember stamp set. Oh, these trees also from Tailored Expressions. It is Pink and Main. Oh dear, it is so adorable. I use the stamp and the dies, and I think I have one leftover image. I used all these images, but I saved one for my tags, and I've got also some extra sentiments, which I can then use on tags as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So these foldable panels, what's really nice is you can get more than one foiled image at a time if you have some of these toner solid backgrounds. And so I had black in my stash, but they sell them. Pink and Main sells them. I think other companies do too, but I have the Pink and Main ones. I think there's other companies that do it. But anyway, once you do that first foiled panel, you can take the negative and put it on that toner, solid toner, and then foil it again, and then the background will pop up from that toner. So if it's a colored toner, the color will pop up. And in this case, it's black, so that's why you see this sort of black background with the green leaves. What are they? I forget what you call them, but whatever. So anyway, it's really cool, and so I really enjoy using foil. So the birch trees I just did in white. And, I kind of like the effect of it. It's kind of simple. And so I am just laying those down. And then I'm going to trim the bottom off. And then I've got two images. Now, all my images were stamped in Memento Tuxedo ink. In my opinion, it is the best ink for Copic coloring or alcohol marker coloring. It does not smear. You can start coloring right away. I've never had it smear ever. Every single other ink I've ever used smears unless you heat set it. And even then, could be iffy. So I find it's my favorite, and I've used them all. Anyway, here is the first card. I'm trimming right now off camera because I'm lame. And so I just trimmed that bottom off, and that first card's done. Now we're on to the second and the third card are really, really similar. They're using a very similar layout. And I got to trim. I forgot to trim this one. Anyway, the panels from Tailored Expressions are 6x6, and so I just cut it in half so that I'm left with a 3x6 panel, and then I can cut it down to 3x5.5, and so then I can get two cards out of one foiled panel. So I folded it with the green. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I think you'll see it at some point. But it is green, and then I just used one of my sort of snowdrift style dies to make a little snowbank, and then I took some stickles and I just stickled the very top of it, and so it just gives it a little bit of snowy look, glittery look. I'm trimming the sides there, and it kind of helps with the transition between the two papers. Now I cut those little trees from Tailored Expressions using some green glitter paper, and this glitter paper happens to be from Pink and Main. It was in one of their boxes, and so I had it out for some reason, so that made it easy for me. Now I'm gluing the trees flat, and sometimes I glue things flat and some things will be popped up. In this case, I'm gluing the trees down flat, and then my little images are on foam. And I use low foam profile foam from Alt to New because it's my favorite. It's just that the liner paper comes off so easily. It's, if I want added dimension, I can stack it, but generally I just want a little bit of something So it really, really works for me. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and glue down, not gluing, I'm actually just using the foam, taking the foam liner off and putting all of that down. And there is card number 2. So card number 3 is very similar. The only difference really is that I've got a second image, and it's sort of the same thing. I am just going to glue that top foiled tree panel on the top, and then the snowdrift is going to go there on the bottom. And I really do love how these cards came out. They're really, really cute and fun, and I think they're just perfect. And then I've got my trees, and they are going to lay them out like that. So I'm just kind of getting an idea to make sure everything fits where it should, and I don't screw that up, but it's looking pretty good. And so I'm going to go ahead and glue down my glitter trees. And yes, I did do Copic coloring, but I also did a little bit of white gel pen. I feel like that really kind of, sometimes it's very subtle and you don't really notice it, but it does definitely give a nice effect to your images. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the liner paper off and lay down my cutie pie little deer. And these guys are really, really cute. So if you didn't pick them up, it's so sad. But there are other places that you can find something just as cute. But these guys are really cute. I'm excited to use them. So, and a little mailbox. And then I've got my sentiment, which I'm put a little piece of foam. And there we go. Another card done. So now we're going to get into our last 2 cards, and they are using another one of these. They're both using foiled panels, and these foiled panels are really fun for, glitter effect, to do an easy background. So I'm laying those down, and then I've got my tree, which is going to be kind of covering up most of that paper. And there are some really cute birds that you can put in your tree. You could put, they have like a new add-on for this where you can put ornaments in it, but it's a little fussy for me. And so, and it comes with presents, so you can put presents under the tree, which I think is very cute. So I might try to find some time to just use that stamp set by itself. But I do like combining my sets because I have a lot of cute images, and not enough people to send cards to be honest. There's that one. Now I'm on to the last card, and it's very similar, only my trees are silver. So yeah, so I foiled it in silver, and it was silver leaves on white, and then the negative is what I put on the black toner, and so now that's what I've got there. And so you get that 2 for 1. So I've got my tree and my image. So here we go, and now we're on to the sentiment. I need to put my star, so I hope I don't forget to do that. And then I'll do the star. So we're going to do a quick recap of all of the cards that I made. There they are. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Creative Art.